I've been trying to make money online, but kind of feeling like every other website that you look at is completely saturated. If so, stay with me because I found three brand new websites you can find work at which are not saturated, they're not as well known. Stay with me, it's coming right up. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is absolutely ridiculous. These fine people know how to look at reviews. Why can't you? Go back to The Simpsons. Really, seriously, And I'm not trying to channel President Trump or anything like that, but seriously, go back to The Simpsons. Anyway, so yeah, I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you're a sweetheart. You can stay as long as you like. The cat is here to stay as well. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Show you three different websites that you can actually make money from online. And these are not nearly as well known as some of the big guys like Fiverr or Upwork, where like every guy's brother is trying to look for jobs and basically not making any money because, well, let's face it, they are saturated. Everybody's on these websites. So these are three brand new websites that you may not be aware of. They're not nearly as well known, and they do have some good jobs available. You can make some real money at them. So the first one is going to be Workana.com. I actually found this by accident, believe it or not. I was trying to help somebody else out with looking for jobs and happened across Workana, which it looks like a really nice website. You can go here and there's all kinds of different jobs available, similar to Upwork. Basically, the idea here is that you bid on projects and you go and make money off of selling your services for various projects that people have that they want to have made. So you can see here, create a logo, migrate crypto out to sketch, all kinds of different things, writing, logo design, video design, whatever it is, all kinds of different work over here that you can do. Another website that I recently discovered is called TrueLancer. Same kind of concept. Basically, they're looking for proposals, and you can put in whatever bids you like for the various proposals over here. And again, like Workana, it's not nearly as well known as, say, Upwork or Fiverr. So you can actually, you're not going to find that there's nearly as much. Obviously, data entry is very low bar to entry, so there's obviously 53 proposals. But for example, if you know how to develop an Android app, a simple Android app, then that might be something good for you. So there's work to be done here that you can make some money without having to compete against 1,000,001 people. And finally, my first favorite is Guru.com. Guru has been around for a while, but they're not nearly as well known as Upwork. And again, it's the same kind of thing. You basically look for jobs here and go and put in the bid.
To start the bidding off at $300. $300 over here, $300, $300. Hey, bada, hey, bada, swing, bada, $300, $300, $300. Anybody, $300, $400. Who wants for?
Not that kind of a bid. I'm talking about bidding on a job. Anyway, so you're going to put in a bid, and there's all kinds of different jobs here again. You can see there's 2,700 different jobs available right here, right? And you put in a bid, and all these places will let you withdraw in multiple ways. So regardless of where you are in the world, you can work from anywhere in the world. I've hired people from Guru.com, from India, from Pakistan. So basically all three of these websites, you can work from anywhere and make some extra money on the side. or even as a full-time income, depending on where you are and how hard you want to be working. So I hope you found the video helpful, and please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon because subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore, and I will see you on the next video.